Yugioh Synchro Monsters have a white background and are placed in the extra deck. Their requirements for summoning is located below their monster type. In order to synchro summon a synchro monster, you need one tuner monster, as indicated by the word tuner in its type, in addition to other requirements as listed on the synchro card. The tuner monster and other face-up monsters you use for the synchro summon are called Synchro Materials. The sum of their levels is the exact level of synchro monster you can summon. During either of your main phases, you can declare a synchro summon when the combined total levels of one face-up tuner monster and any number of other face-up monsters you control are equal to the level of the synchro monster you want to synchro summon. Send the face-up synchro materials from your field to the graveyard, then take the synchro monster from your extra deck and play it in the main monster zone or extra monster zone in face-up attack or face-up defense position. When your synchro monster is destroyed, send it to your graveyard. Synchro monsters that were properly summoned, then sent to the graveyard, can be special summoned from the graveyard without the need for a synchro summon, for example, like with Monster Reborn. But if a synchro monster card is sent to your graveyard without it first being properly summoned, then it cannot be special summoned from the graveyard. If your synchro monster is sent to your hand or deck, put it face down in your extra deck instead. There is no limit to the number of synchro summons you can do in a single turn.